All right. Again, we're moving from adding of fractions to subtracting of fractions. Looking at page 484, you can see that they use models to subtract, and they also use number lines to subtract. I'm going to tell you right now, it's just easier to subtract, okay, instead of using the number lines or the fraction bars. So, if you look at page 485 and look at the top at the example, it says find 11 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Find 11 over 8 minus 2 over 8. It says using 11 1 over 8 fraction strips to show 11 over 8. Take 2 away would equal 9 over 8. They're showing you with the fraction bars, and then they're showing you just how to subtract it. So 11 minus 2 is 9 over 8.
Miss Blackwood?
Yes.
I don't have that page.
Okay. I'll give you the problems when we get to it, okay?
So when my mom printed out, it only came this one. The one from yesterday.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
All right, so let's look at this page. I want you right now to do number 2, 3, 4, and 5. For those of you that don't have the page, good morning, Brenna-Lise. For those of you that don't have the page, the problems are 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3, 5 over 5 minus 2 over 5, 7 over 12 minus 3 over 12, 7 over 8 minus 1 over 8. Work those now.
Can you repeat them all over again?
Yes, I will.
What page?
The page is 485. 485. All right, number 1 was, it's actually number 2 on the page. 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3. 5 over 5 minus 2 over 5.
Is it this page?
Yes.
Okay.
7 over 12 minus 3 over 12. 7 over 8 minus 1 over 8. Please turn your mics off.
Miss Blackman, what happened? What's after 7 over 12 minus 3 over 12?
7 over 8 minus 1 over 8. The page is 485.
Miss Blackman,
Yes.
can you repeat number 4 again?
Number 4 was 7 over 12 minus 3 over 12. Is that the one you need? The next one.
Yeah, the next one.
7 over 8 minus 1 over 8.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you repeat number 3 and 4?
Yep. 7 over 12 minus 3 over 12. And 7 over 8 minus 1 over 8. Again, the page is 485.
Can you repeat number 4 again?
7 over 8 minus 1 over 8, that one. Please mute your mics. All right, guys, I'm getting a lot of questions about where you can get these pages. On Sunday evening, I send out an email with everything for the week attached to it. If you're going to print it, that's the best email to use to print it. So you got one last Sunday for all this week. All right, Celine, did you ever come on? Salvador Daniel, Sophia P, Daniela, Leon, Ramel, Angelo, Andalise, Asia, Amari, Sarah, or Delianne. If any of you ever got on, please say here in the comments. All right, looking at these. 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 gives me 0. Not 0 over 3, just 0. Because you had a third and you're taking a third away, so now you have 0. Sarah R. 5 over 5 minus 2 over 5 is 3 over 5. Seven over 12 minus 3 over 12 is 4 over 12. Seven over 8 minus 1 over 8 is 6 over 8.
Miss Blackman?
Yes. Yes.
Miss Blackman?
Yes, sweetheart.
Can you repeat the first, second, and third one?
Yes. 1/3 minus 1/3 is 0. 5 over 5 minus 2 over 5 is 3 over 5. 7 over 12 minus 3 over 12 is 4 over 12. And 7 over 8 minus 1 over 8 is 6 over 8.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'm going to give you 6 more to do on your own, and then we will check them. It'll be, for those of you that have the page printed out, it'll be numbers 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. For those of you that do not have it printed, here are the problems. 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Good morning, Daniela. We're on page 485, sweetheart. Again, for those of you that have the paper, you're doing 9 through 14. All right, the next problem for those of you who don't have the page is 17 over 10 minus 3 over 10. 17 over 10 minus 3 over 10.
Thank you.
The next one is 8 over 6 minus 2 over 6. 8 over 6 minus 2 over 6. The next one is 9 over 6 minus 1 over 6. 9 over 6 minus 1 over 6. The next one is 21 over 10 minus 1 over 10. 21 over 10 minus 1 over 10. And the last one is 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5. Again, 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5. I'm going to give you about 1 minute. Yes.
Can you repeat number 1 again, please?
Yes, 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5.
Okay, thank you.
Sophia P., did you ever get on? Leon? Ramel? Andalise? Asia? Amari? Sarah R. or Delianne? All right. Lillian, you do 9 through 14. All right, so if we're looking at these, 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5, 4 minus 2 is 2 over 5. 17 over 2 minus 3, 17 over 10 minus 3 over 10 is 14 over 10. Number 11, 8 over 6 minus 2 over 6 will give you 6 over 6 or 1, whichever one you want to put. The next one, 9 over 6 minus 1 over 6 gives you 8 over 6. The next one, 20 over 10 minus 1 over 10 gives you, it's 21 over 10 minus 1 over 10 gives you 20 over 10. And 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5 gives you 0. Yes, Emma, it can be. Luciana, what's your question?
You said 14, 9 and 9 slash 14, and it's 9 slash 4.
Which one?
9 slash 4.
What was the problem?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
I know, but which problem are you saying was 9 slash 4?
We did 2 and to 5.
Yes, we did 2 and 5, 2 to 5, and I went over those, and I just went over 9 through 14.
Okay.
Yes, Emma, it can be. All right. Yes, Emma. All right. So for your homework today, you have page 487, 487. Number 14, Emma, was 0. All right. I'm going to give you the problems for this page so that you have them in case you do not have the paper in front of you, which is fine. Number 1. This is your homework. We will grade it tomorrow. Number 1. 3 over 5 minus 2 over 5. 3 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Good morning, Asia. Asia, if you have it printed out, we're on page 487. If not, we're starting to go over the problems right now so you can write them down. Number 1 was 3 over 5 minus 2 over 5. 3 over 5 minus 2 over 5. We're on page 487, 487. All right, number 2, 7 over 10 minus 3 over 10. 7 over 10 minus 3 over 10. Number 3, 4 over 4 minus 2 over 4. 4 over 4 minus 2 over 4. Number 4, 8 over 10 minus 5 over 10. 8 over 10 minus 5 over 10. Number 5, 6 over 6 minus 3 over 6. 6 over 6 minus 3 over 6. Number 6, 11 over 12 minus 5 over 12. I'm sorry, nope, it's 7 over 12. Let me repeat that one. 11 over 12 minus 7 over 12. Again, 11 over 12 minus 7 over 12. Number 7, 5 over 6 minus 2 over 6. 5 over 6 minus 2 over 6. Yes, Sarah. Number 8, 4 over 8 minus 2 over 8. 4 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Number 9, 11 over 12 minus 8 over 12. 11 over 12 minus 8 over 12. Good morning, Ramel.
Good morning.
Number 10, 9 over 8 minus 2 over 8. 9 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Ramel, if you have the worksheets printed out, we're on page 487. If not, I'll repeat the problems here in just a minute. Number 11 is 24 over 4 minus 18 over 4. 24 over 4 minus 18 over 4. Good morning, Sophia P. And number 12 is 30 over 10 minus 20 over 10. 30 over 10 minus 20 over 10. All right, again, it's page 487, 487.
Can you repeat number 12?
I'm going to repeat them all. Number 1 was 3 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Number 2 was 7 over 10 minus 3 over 10. Number 3 was 4 over 4 minus 2 over 4. Number 4 was 8 over 10 minus 5 over 10. Number 5 was 6 over 6 minus 3 over 6. Number 6 was 11 over 12 minus 7 over 12. Number 7 was 5 over 6 minus 2 over 6. Number 8 was 4 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Number 9 was 11 over 12 minus 8 over 12. Number 10 was 9 over 8 minus 2 over 8. Number 11 is 24 over 4 minus 18 over 4. 24 over 4 minus 18 over 4. And number 12 was 30 over 10 minus 20 over 10. Again, 30 over 10 minus 20 over 10. Lillian, we're doing all of them, 1 through 12. All right, so this is your homework today. One thing we need to talk about is iReady Math. Some of you have absolutely no minutes on iReady Math this week. You need to make sure you're doing iReady Math. iReady Math needs to be done 30 minutes a day. I don't care when you do it, just make sure you're doing 30 minutes a day, okay?
Miss Blackman, I do it for 1 hour.
That's fine. That's fine. But remember, the teachers are checking your times on iReady and Lexia. All right? So I'm keeping up with iReady Math, and some of you have no minutes at all, so make sure you're keeping up with that. Let's move to science. Science yesterday, you watched the video on butterflies, and you did the life cycle of a butterfly. You should have drawn already the life cycle of a tree and the life cycle of a butterfly. Caleb, can you show me yours? Do you have a camera?
Yes. Miss Blackman,
Yes.
yesterday I tried to go to BrainPub, but it didn't let me go in.
Okay, you set up your own username and password. Did you do that?
Yeah, and it didn't let me.
Okay, you'll need to try again, okay?
Miss Blackman, I'm sorry, I forgot about the butterfly.
Well, guys, you've got to listen and write notes because this is part of class because we grade things. Okay.
Miss Blackman, the same thing happened to me as well as Kalila because when I was logging into the account, I knew my account password, so I logged in, but it didn't let me log in, so I had to make a new account.
Okay. All right, Caleb, can you show me yours? How about we do this? And this might be easier. Have your parents take a picture of your life cycle of a tree and your life cycle of a butterfly and send them to me through the email. Can we do that?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
So go ahead and have them take the picture after we're done with class today and just send it to me by email. All right. Today, when you go on Brain Pop Junior, you're going to watch the butterfly video again. Then you're going to take the easy quiz and the hard quiz. Now remember, I want you to write your answer before you click on it. All right? Write your answer before you click on it. So if number 1 you think is A, write A. If you click on it and it says it's wrong, I want you to mark it wrong on your notebook or on your piece of paper that you're using.
Miss Blackman?
Yes.
Do we have to do, what video do we have to do on Brain Pop again?
Butterflies. It's under life cycle. Yes, Joshua. Joshua, you had a question?
Yep.
What is it, bud? Joshua, what's your question?
I couldn't log into Brain Pop.
Okay, so when you get onto Brain Pop, in the very top, it says free online access. Make sure you click that. Once you click that, down towards the middle of the page on the right, it'll say free family access. Click on that and then set up your account, and you'll have your own username and password so you can get on it.
Okay.
All right.
I wasn't here yesterday, so I don't know what to do.
Say that again, David.
I wasn't here yesterday, so I don't know what to do.
So you're going to go to Brain Pop Junior and watch the video on butterflies and then draw a life cycle of the butterfly. Emma, what's your question?
I did this. Do you see it?
Hold on, it's coming up. Yes?
So I did this, but I did not, for the tree one, I did not put the answer for it.
That is fine, as long as you know how many you got right and how many you got wrong.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to ask, once you have done Brain Pop Junior and you've answered all the questions, okay, and you've marked it right or wrong, that your parents send me a picture of that too. So if you want to wait and send me a picture of the life cycle of a tree, the life cycle of a butterfly, and the picture of the quizzes from today. Please mute your mic. And the quizzes from today, the easy quiz and the hard quiz. So 3 things I need you to email me. You can put them all on the same email. Okay? The life cycle of a tree, the life cycle of a butterfly, and then you're going to do the easy and hard quiz on the life cycle of the butterfly. When you do those, on, like, for instance, on number 1, you write A, and then you click on A and it tells you you're wrong. You're going to mark it wrong on your paper, and then you're going to find the right answer. On number 2, it's B, so you mark B, and you get it right, you're going to put a check. All right? That way I can look at your paper that your parents are sending me and know which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. Sarah, as long as you know which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong, it's fine. Miliani, what's your question?
My question is that I already took the tree test and the butterfly test, easy and hard, and I already have it here.
Okay, when you send your pictures, just make sure you send me a picture of the butterfly one, okay? Guys, if you already did it, that's fine. Just make sure you send me the picture, okay? So I need, again, a picture of the butterfly cycle, life cycle, a picture of the tree life cycle, and a picture of the butterfly quizzes. Are there any questions to what I need?
No.
That way, if you haven't done it, you've got today to do it. Okay, I need these pictures by 9 o'clock tonight. So if they can't do it right away, it's okay. But by 9 o'clock. Don't forget.
Can we just show you tomorrow?
Don't forget.
Send
Okay?
an email to our parents.
Do what?
Can you send an email to our parents?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
Luciana, what's your question?
We have to send you a picture of a butterfly, a tree, and the test of the butterfly, hard and easy, and the test of the tree, hard and easy.
Not the tree tests. Just the butterfly, hard and easy. So the life cycle of the butterfly, the life cycle of the tree, those are your drawings. And then the easy and hard quizzes on the butterfly.
Okay.
I will send an email to your parents to let them know what I need a picture of so nobody forgets, okay?
I did easy and a hard quiz on the tree one.
Uh-huh. No, you were supposed to do the tree one, but now we're doing the butterfly one.
Okay.
All right?
Wait, Miss Blackman, so we send both of the pictures of the test or only the butterfly?
Only the butterfly tests.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. All right, any more questions for today?
No.
All right, so Miss Kianis will be on in about 35 minutes. So you have 35 minutes right now to work on Brain Pop Junior, to work on your life cycles, to work on your quizzes, to finish your math. Do not leave the chat room, okay? And the reason I say that is because if you leave, sometimes it's hard to get back on. So do not leave the chat room. But don't start sending messages to each other because I will see them all. All right?
Miss Blackman?
Yes.
I'm just doing Lexi. I'm almost done with what I'm done, so can I do it after?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So go ahead right now and work on your math. Then work on your life cycles of the tree and butterfly. And then work on the butterfly quiz. All right, no more conversation. Sarah, if you're done with everything, yes. Lillian, let me see it.
See me?
Not yet. Hold on, it's coming. There you are.
Okay.
That's good. Make sure you take a picture of that, your life cycle of the tree and the test today, and send it to me, okay?
Miss Blackman,
Yes?
can I talk to Camila real quick?
No? It's like class. You're not going to talk across the class right now. Yes, you can. Mute your mics.
Quítalo, quítalo, quítalo.